Hi! For today's video is how to find new music on Spotify. So there are ways to find new music on Spotify from the world's top artists or just your favorites. Spotify offers an unimaginable number of songs and albums going back decades. But hundreds of new tracks are being added every day and it's easy to miss a new single from your favorite artist. That's why Spotify has at least 3 different tools you can use to keep up with all the new music being released. The What's New menu, the Radar playlist, and the New Music Friday page. So if you open up Spotify, the first option is the What's New menu. It lists all the new songs, album, podcasts, upcoming concerts, and merchandise that the artists you follow have posted recently. So, if you press the bell icon on the top right, here is the What's New menu. Next is Spotify Release Radar playlist. It has music from your favorite bands and more. Unlike the previous option, Release Radar is a full playlist. This means that not only you can save it to your library, but you can listen to the entire list without having to start each song individually. And while the What's New menu only tracks artists you follow, Release Radar tracks them with the artists and Spotify things you like. You can find the Release Radar playlist in Spotify mobile or desktop. So click that and tap search, and it will be at the bottom of the screen. And then just press new release. On new releases, select Release Radar. So here you go. Next is New Music Friday. It is a massive playlist with songs from the world's top artists. You don't need to follow each and every artist on Spotify to keep up with the new tracks. Spotify's New Music Friday playlist updates every week with all the latest singles from the biggest artists around. So it says here, it's based on popularity. Your own music taste don't factor in it at all. And it always has 100 different songs, which makes for at least 4 or 5 hours of listening. Just like Radar, it is on the playlist. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.